Hey guys, Curious Swimmer here, and welcome to kind of a special video today. As you can see, I am not selected in any games right now. I'm actually on my computer's desktop, and the reason for this is because I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to install add-ons on Windows 10, iOS, and maybe even Android if it works. So first, we're going to talk about Windows 10, and the first way to install add-ons without the use of the marketplace is to download them from a website and install them in Minecraft yourself. So the first thing you do is you open your web browser. In my case, I'm going to open a private window because I don't want you all seeing what I'm doing. And then you go ahead and search Minecraft add-ons or whatever into your search bar. And then you click on a website of your choice. Of course, be careful because you could get malware on your computer if you're not careful. So for this tutorial, I'm going to go on to CurseForge. And you'll see an array of different resources packs and behavior packs. For this tutorial, I'm just going to do this resource pack over here. However, if you're doing a behavior pack or a whole add-on, it should be similar. Click on the download button and it will download the file. As you can see right here, waiting for it to finalize. And it is downloaded to my computer. So after that, you go into your downloads folder. Take this folder, drag it onto your desktop if you want to make this whole process a lot easier. And then you go to the local state folder. If you don't have your Minecraft folder pinned to your quick access, or the local state folder, not that, that's the wrong one. If you don't have the local state folder pinned to your quick access folder like I do here, what you do is you go to your local disk, users, whatever your user is, app data, local, and then try to find packages. Right? And then you look for Minecraft. Then you look for a folder that says Microsoft.Minecraft UWP, then random stuff. You go in here, you go to local state, and as you can see, that there it is, the local state folder is right there. If you do not have that pinned to your quick access folder, I highly recommend you do that. So after you did that, you go into the local state folder, go to games, com.mojang, and then if it's a behavior pack you downloaded, you drag it into the behavior packs folder. In my case, it's a resource pack. Or if you download an add-on, you drag the behavior pack and resource pack in the folders respectively. So I'm going to drag this to the resource pack folder, unzip it. 7-zip on this computer, so I'm just going to use Windows to extract it. Alright, it's almost done. After it's done extracting, if it is a case like mine, where there is no extra folder in here and the resource pack is just right here, then you just put it in. Then you just leave it as is. However, if in your case there is a folder with the actual resource pack inside the folder you just unzipped, like for example, if this folder has the actual resource pack in it, you drag that out into the resource pack folder. However, that is not true in my case, so after that you can delete the resource pack or behavior pack folder or zip file if you really want to. Then now we're going to run Minecraft. Alright, so now you gotta do is, of course, just go in here, go and try to find the resource pack you just installed, activate it on that world, and then we're going to load this world, or whatever world, you decide to do it to. If there's a behavior pack, again, you'd also apply the behavior pack as well. And as you can see right here, it did end up working. And this specific pack I downloaded makes Minecraft look a lot worse. So it definitely worked, and I hope you found that tutorial helpful. Alright, so now I'm going to do the tutorial for iOS. So it's pretty similar to Windows 10, except there are definitely a few key differences. As of the later versions of iOS, you can actually go into your downloads folder and actually download files off of the internet. And to add to that, if you go here, you can see you can actually access all the Minecraft folders as well. So what you do is you go to Safari, or if you happen to have another web browser installed, use that. You do the same thing you would on Windows 10, search Minecraft add-ons. Again, I'm going to use the exact same resource pack as I did in the Windows 10 example because I'm lazy, right? Just downloading it. Now that's downloaded. Now you go into your Files app. You go into Downloads. I downloaded it twice, apparently. So I'm going to move this. If I could select it, move it, go to your Minecraft folder, Games, com.mojang, do the exact same thing you would on Windows 10. Same deal. If you have a resource pack, put it in the resource packs folder, behavior pack. Alright, I'm going to put mine in the resource pack folder. Go to that folder, which again, it's Minecraft, Games, com.mojang, and then you go to resource packs, and then you go ahead and unzip this file by going to the context menu and clicking on uncompress. So as you can see, it's trying to uncompress right now. Alright, as you can see, it is now uncompressed. And again, same deal as Windows 10. If it is if the folder's inside the folder, then you take it out. Same deal. Click, go in the context menu, click move into the resource packs folder. That is not my case though, so I'm going to delete the zip file. Then I'm going to open Minecraft. I'll flip my screen around. Alright. So now, okay, it's loading resource packs. You would go to the world of your choice. I'm going to choose this world. Then you go here, resource packs. You apply the resource pack or behavior pack you downloaded. Then you click play on that world. And then you should see it work. Again, just like Windows 10, I'm sorry if I sound like a broken record here, but behavior packs are the same deal. It's just you apply the behavior pack instead of the resource pack, and as you can see, yet again, it worked.